Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this walkthrough, I'm going to show you how to create a clean, beautiful wedding invitation using Canva, full 2026 guide. Whether you're designing for yourself or for someone else, this process is super simple. So yeah, let's jump right in. All right, once you're on Canva, head over to the search bar at the top. Type in wedding invitation, and you'll see hundreds of ready-made designs. Take your time scrolling through, you know, pick something that matches your style or theme. Now, click on any template you like. Canva will open it on a blank editing canvas. This is where you can customize everything: the text, the colors, the fonts, all of it. Start by updating the names, the date, the location, all the main wedding details. If the font doesn't feel right, just select it and pick another one from the left side panel. Yeah, don't be afraid to experiment a little. Next, you can switch up the colors to match your wedding palette. Click any element, like flowers or borders, and change the color from the top toolbar. You can also remove things you don't need or add new graphics from the Elements tab, really make it your own. If you want a cleaner look, adjust spacing or move sections around. Dragging and dropping is super easy in Canva, so just nudge things until everything feels balanced. When you're happy with the final design, click the download button in the top right corner. Choose high quality PNG or PDF print, whichever you need. And just like that, your wedding invitation is ready to share or print. And that's how you create a wedding invitation on Canva, full 2026 guide. Pretty simple, right? If this helped you out, go ahead and like the video, subscribe, and hit the little bell so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching.